How to fix if the owner 90 or 90 Lite randomly shuts off. So to fix this issue, first of all check the volume and power key. So if there is any dust or anything else stuck in between the keys, then clean the keys, and after cleaning up the keys, the auto shut off issue will be fixed. But if you're still facing the issue after cleaning your keys, then open settings. Now scroll down and here click on accessibility features. Now click on this scheduled power on off option, and then you will see a scheduled power on off button on the top. So if you want to turn off scheduled power turn off, on or off, then tap on this button to turn it off, and after turning off this button your phone will not shut down automatically. But after turning off this button, if you're still facing the issue of randomly shuts off, then the last solution is open settings again. Scroll down to the end and click on system and updates, and then in system and updates tap on reset. Now tap on reset network settings, and then again tap on this reset network settings option on the bottom of your screen to confirm. So when you will tap on this option here, it will reset all your network settings, and after that the randomly shuts off issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix the randomly shuts off issue on your Honor 90 or 90 Lite. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.